Good day, sir. Today we are going to present our CBT question. My name is Yii Xuan and she is Wong Ning.
The question asks to choose a specific aspect of the insurance industry, such as general insurance, life insurance, or investment. And we need to develop a simulation scenario using either actual data from the industry or by generating random data. We also need to clearly define a financial challenge or problem within the chosen insurance aspect. And we also need to integrate a simulated client consultation segment into our presentation. We also have to explain how our simulation aids in addressing the financial challenge and supporting the decision-making process.
The industry we have chosen is life insurance. In life insurance, health factors always have a big impact on the profitability of an insurance company. This is because the high-risk health factor population can affect insurance companies through increased claim costs, adverse selection, moral hazard, and also difficulty managing risk. This raises financial challenges and strategies like risk-based pricing, exclusion of pre-existing conditions, wellness programs, reinsurance, and technological advancement to balance the risk pool and ensure the sustainability. Therefore, the financial challenges faced by the insurance industry is that how the involvement of high-risk health factor population will affect the expected payout of an insurance company. By looking into this issue, this will help the insurance companies to implement effective risk mitigation and wellness strategies, and also improve underwriting practices, ensuring fair pricing and financial stability. Focusing on preventive care not only will lower the claim frequency and severity, but also promote a healthier policyholder population. This approach will lead to an enhanced customer satisfaction, increased profitability, and a sustainable business model that aligns with the evolving landscape of healthcare and insurance. So we will look into this issue through simulation process in Excel, and I will pass it to Ning to talk about it.
So to eliminate the involvement of the high risk health factor of individual affect the life insurance. So we can see about firstly we generate about the random data for the client. We use 5,000 of the data set and use 7 different variables to generate our policyholder info by using the VBA. So the variables we're using will be the gender, age, smoking status, alcohol consumption, sick gravity, disease history, and frequency of exercise, which is relating about the health factors. After generate the random data of the policyholder, we need to calculate about the mortality rate based on the gender and age. For the information of the mortality rate, we use the resource from the WHO organization based on year 2019. So we're using the index match and also inflation to calculating the mortality rate based on gender and age. After calculating the mortality rate, base mortality rate, we need to calculate the adjusted mortality by using the mortality rate and also based on the risk health factor. For example, we need to divide the L3 times the L3 with the we looked up of E3, which is the smoker status, and also here is the by reviewing the mortality rate multiply in here. So the mortality rate multiply is, which means that if the policyholder is a smoker, so their mortality rate will increase 30% compared to the non-smoker. If the individual is non-smoker, the mortality rate will remain same. So by calculating mortality rate of 5,000 policyholder, we need to calculate the premium needed to pay per month of policyholder. The formula will be the explanation of the premium delta times about the adjusted mortality, and then times the base premium and plus again the base premium. After calculating the premium needed, we need to calculate about the expected payout of our company. So the expected payout of our company will be the adjusted mortality times about the death benefit. So for the base premium, death benefit, and also premium data, we are generate randomly for ourselves. So by using this information, we can calculate the total premium, total expected payout of company. So after calculating the total of premium and also expected payout, we can calculate the profit and losses of company when deducting the premium with the expected payout. As you can see, the chart in year 2019, the non-smoker is higher than the smoker, and then the percentage of the low alcohol consumption is the highest, and also the sleep quality of good is the highest, and also the disease history is not the highest percentage, and also the others will show that the 2019 will be the policy holder that involved in low risk factor, low risk health factor, and then so we need to generate another year with a policy holder that contribute to high risk factor to make a comparison. So generate the policy holder info using the VBA also. You can see this year will become like the smoker and also the high alcohol consumption and also poor sleep quality, more disease history, and also really exercise frequency will be many this year or another year. Then using the same formula to calculate the mortality rate, adjusted mortality, premium needed, and also expected payout, and calculate the total premium and also total expected payout, and also profit and loss of company. So for summary, we can show that the total premium of the high risk health factor policyholder will be lower than the low risk policyholder, which is stay for the high mortality rate of the high risk health policy factor holder, because the possibility of the disease and also the daily frequency of the exercise will influence the mortality rate, the possibility of mortality, and then will increase the mortality rate of the policyholder. Furthermore, the total expected payback is showing that the 2020 is higher than 2019. This is because the increased payout it reduced the profit margin as a significant portion of premium collected goes through a covering claim, and also the individual with high risk health factor are more likely to make insurance claims, leading the high payout of the insurance company. For the as you deduct the total premium and also total expected payoff, you can see that the total profit of company for 2019 is higher than the 2020, because the low risk factor in policyholder will generate low expected payout compared to the high risk factor. So you can see also the average premium of high risk individual is higher than the low risk individual, this reflects that the increased cost associated with providing insurance coverage to individuals with higher perceived risks, such as those with health factors and increased mortality rate. And also the higher average premium for the high risk individual contribute to the overall profitability of the insurance company. This is essential to maintaining financial stability and ability to cover potential claims. So for the client scenario, I put a male non-smoker, which is 18 years old, and he is low alcohol consumption and also poor sleep quality and no disease history and rarely exercise. So by using the VBA, I create the proper needed to pay money of the client, which is 1004. That's all I will pass back to Yii Xuan.
From the Excel, it is shown that the company will have higher expected payout in the year with larger high-risk factor population, which shows that the profitability of the insurance company will decrease with the increase in high-risk health factor population. To solve this problem, the company is suggested to establish a risk pool where contributions from a large group of policyholders, both low risk and high risk, are pooled together. This can help distribute the risk and prevent extremely high premiums for individual high-risk policyholders. Besides, the companies can also implement wellness programs aimed at mitigating health risks for high-risk policyholders. This could include incentives for healthy behavior, regular health checkups, and access to preventive care.
Additionally, the insurance company can also transfer a portion of the risk to a reinsurer. Reinsurance involves another insurance company taking on part of the risk in exchange for a premium. This can help stabilize the financial impact of high-risk claims. Besides, they also can offer a customized policies with variable coverage levels and premiums based on the individual risk profiles. This allows the high-risk policyholders to choose a coverage that suits their needs and budget. Apart from that, insurance companies should also put effort in developing the market segment of health-conscious population to improve the profitability of the insurance company. For example, the insurance company may provide discounts on premiums for those who have healthy lifestyle and also provide wellness incentives and rewards for maintaining healthy habits and others.
That's all for our presentation. Thank you.